Yes. Okay. So welcome back to another live, guys. For those of you who are new here, we analyze the market every day at 3:45 p.m. as soon as it's done. So what we do is we look at Nifty, Bank Nifty. We look at the charts, the option chain, as well as the OI, right? And we try to make sense of it in terms of what happened today as well as what can happen tomorrow. So, for those of you who have been here for a while, welcome back to the live. And yes, we should get started soon. And also, yeah, a quick update. On the platform, we have integrated with Fires today, so now you can connect with Zerodha or Fires. So Fires was on high demand as a lot of users were asking us to connect this specific broker for them to trade along with it, right? So all you have to do is just connect to Fires and you can start taking trades through our basket order terminal, strategy builder, or our option chain, right? So yes, that is the latest update on the platform. And yeah, we should quickly look at the charts and try and understand what happened, right? So, okay, cool. So let's, I think, Lifty quickly go into the trading view charts here. Yes. Okay. Let me just, yeah. So we will start with Nifty futures, right? So yeah, as we saw today, it was very range bound. It was completely between 18,200 and 18,250, right? So it was just hitting the top, coming back down, hitting the top, coming back down. Very range bound. We had a gap up opening from Friday, if I'm not wrong. Yes, Friday. It was around a 60-point opening, right? So very huge move. But I am somehow assuming it should come back down a little into this range of 18,100 to 18,200 and cover up the gap, right? So we should check the option chain data and all that and see where what it says as well, right? So today, yeah, as you can see, very range bound market. We saw a good gap up opening. It was playing around the uh, VWAP itself, right? So usually when it's around VWAP, you do not know where it's going to go exactly. But yeah, so I think each time it hit 18,240, I think one, two, three, four, five times it hit 18,240 and went back down, right? So if anyone did catch a trade at that specific zone, you can let me know, as there were no breakouts at all that happened. And I think we ended around 18,200, which actually acts as a good support. We should check that as well. So the one below that is 18,100, right? And 18,240 now acts as a very good, what do you call, resistance, because a lot of rejection did happen at that particular price. So yes, said that, we should just quickly look at the option chain as well. So 18,200, 18,100, and 240 were our thing, right? So quickly going into the option chain, and yes, going into Nifty, right? So yeah, for those of you who are looking at our option chain for the first time, this is the updated version where now you can directly see the support resistances here itself. So 18,000, 18,200, and you can see the PCR directly as one, right? So quickly looking at 18,200. So that was where we were at. So yeah, 18,200. We saw a lot of calls being sold, right? So yeah, that's because, yeah, 1.1 crore OI here, and they and 52.5 lakh more were added today, right? So that is a bearish sign. That's why one thing why I'm expecting tomorrow for the gap up of what happened today to be covered up is because of this, because we see a lot of OI being sold at 18,200, a lot of sellers at this specific point, and 52.5 lakh were added today as well, right? So yes, looking at 18,000, I think 18,000, yes, 18,000 was our other level. We can see here 91.9 lakh puts being sold here. So we are expected to be between this range, 18,000 and I think, yeah, so today 1.7 lakhs was sold at this level. Okay, I'm guessing that is because people are expecting it to be go back to that range, right? 18,100 range is we're expecting it to go tomorrow, at least according to what OI says, right? So we shall, so PCR comparatively also we shall check how it looks like from Friday to today, right? And expiry is in 2 more days. It really feels like, okay, I've just started trading and almost expiry is nearing, right? So quickly going to the OI as well. Once again. Yes. Open interest. Yes, so open interest for Nifty, right? So yeah, today it's around one, which almost says that it's okay sideways, right? So that's what we saw today. But let's just check the overall movement from at least Friday, right? That was April 20th. That was the last date. We'll see the movement. So 1.3 to 1, right? So we saw, so what we're seeing, at least what PCR is saying, that it's moved from a bullish to a sideways, right? So that's what we saw as well. So we see the chart which was very bullish moving sideways, and PCR shows that that 80 sorry 17,000 18,200 had a lot of call sells, which also says that it should be below that level, right? It had around 1.1 crore sells there, and it added 50 lakhs today as well. So I'm assuming that it should go below, right? So just quickly looking at the charts again, let me just close this. Yes. So yeah, so I think yes. So I'm so according to the data we just saw 18,202. Maybe it should go below that tomorrow is what I'm assuming. Let's see if this covers up. And yes, so 18,100 is here. I just want to see the 18,000 level as well. I'm assuming we have marked it. Okay, yeah. So we actually shifted to the May futures. It would have been marked in the uh, April futures, right? So let me just quickly put down the levels so that we know what is what. Yes. So this was now a very strong resistance, right? 18,240, because price was rejected almost 5 times at that specific level, which is a huge thing, right? So yes, let me just save this. So yeah, that was our Nifty analysis. Quickly coming to Bank Nifty, right? So we look at Bank Nifty. Let's just 1 second. Yes. Okay. We should quickly look at the market replay for Bank Nifty. Where is that? Yes. So if I just quickly click on Bank Nifty market replay, we should see how the movement actually happened today, right? So again, PCR 0.99 for Bank Nifty, very similar. So yeah, playing it. Yes. So we can see the gap up opening here, which happened, after which there was a small pullback until 43,330. After that, it should have been up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So I'm guessing there's a good uh, level, resistance level at Bank Nifty also, which we can check in terms of where the prices were being rejected from continuously, right? So yes, so again, right, we're still in a very bullish kind of overview. Like if you look at it in terms of a long term, like at least in a daily chart perspective, we should be very bullish. But yes, it's come to a little uh, sideways market today. So yeah, I think, okay, I don't think it was a specific level similar to Nifty, where Nifty had around 4 rejections at 17,240, right? So I'm assuming there shouldn't be as many in Bank Nifty, but yeah, we should uh, look at the charts in the analysis section itself, and we shall understand it. But yeah, as you can see, not very huge movements or any directional movements, right? It looks very sideways, so that is a good sign. Yeah, but again, we look at it towards the end as well. I think it should have dropped down a little towards the end, and that should have been Bank Nifty, right? So we should check out the levels as well for Bank Nifty. I think I've put down the levels. I'm not sure, but yes, okay. We saw a very huge. Oh, did it? Okay, I think it did break the day low. Nice, very interesting. Very interesting. We should check out the chart. So yeah, I think the day low of Bank Nifty also was broken towards the end of the day, right? So quickly going into this. Okay, this is Bank Nifty. Let me just go into the futures, right? So we are not looking at the index charts. We'll be looking at the futures charts. So oh yes, here it is. I have drawn the levels. So as you can see here, yes, almost. Okay, this was a smaller gap up uh, than Nifty, right? I think the prices came down at opening itself almost to the same levels of Bank Nifty, and a very small gap up here is what is shown, which needs to be covered as well, right? So you look at it here, we see 43,500 is resistance that we have drawn, right? So 43,500 level, and this was the price rejection level, 43,460, right? Almost 43,460 is where it was rejected once, twice, thrice, 4, 5 times, right? So similar again, that was the level, and this is 43,300. So yes, these are the levels, at least important levels that we are looking at. I would actually quickly like to add Bollinger Bands if possible. Yes, amazing, amazing. Yeah, so also you guys can let me know in the comments on which indicators you specifically use. So Bollinger Bands, I think we haven't used it in a lot of analysis before, but yeah, I think it gives an idea of where the upper band is going to be in terms of overbought and the lower band in terms of oversold, right? So usually it plays around between both the bands. So yes, so I think I am currently using Bollinger Bands, MACD, and RSI to give me at least indicators on how the market is moving, right? So again, a little bearish as well. I don't know why, but I have a feeling that tomorrow it should go down a little. But yeah, it's the market, right? We do not know exactly. But Nifty, yes, Nifty, because option chain data tells us so. Bank Nifty, I think it's coming towards the edge of it, as well as, yes, we are. Can we just quickly? Yes, so this is the average line, right? This is the average line, and this should be the VWAP. Yes. So as you can see right now, also we see the VWAP being below the. I think I'm assuming it's the 20 moving average of Bollinger Bands. That should be the standard. But yes, we should just quickly look at the PCR of Bank Nifty. So we saw it at around 0.99, right? And we'll compare it in terms of yesterday's. We should be seeing a difference. Okay, yeah, one basically, not 0.99. Yes, looking at it for Friday's uh, analysis, we should just see, yes, 1.2 to 1, right? So similar movement where it's moved from a bullish standpoint to a sideways standpoint of today, right? So that is one thing. And also I should just quickly look at the option chain as well, and we'll see where addition has happened, where a lot of strikes have been removed from as well, right? So yes, so our levels were 43,000, 43,500, right? So yes, so 43,500, okay, a very less, only 19.6 lakh OI at that specific level, and 6.8 lakh was added today as well, right? So not yet very strong levels on the upper side as of now, as well as you look at here 43,000 puts being sold, right? So this is a much stronger level, at least, where we know that okay, this below this level should be okay. But then you look at okay, this is a very interesting OI data, right? So you look at it at 43,000 level itself, we have a lot of we have 32.3 lakh call sellers and 43.4 lakh put sellers, right? So that is a very interesting mismatch that is happening there. And as we can see here, 43,200 is currently in the money range that we are playing, right? So this is interesting. So that's why Bank Nifty, I think, will be a more interesting move. At least you can let me know what you think according to this data, because usually we see a much higher OI below, right? But yes, okay. So yes, that was our analysis for today, and thank you so much for joining in. You can, as usual, you can let me know on what you think or where you think the market is headed tomorrow. Nifty, I'm a little bearish for tomorrow, at least according to the OI data and how the addition of OI has happened. Other than that, yeah, for Bank Nifty, again, very unpredictable as of now. But yes, you can let me know what you think, if it's going upwards tomorrow, sideways, or bearish, right? And thank you so much for joining in. Until tomorrow, have a good day. Thank you.